So this is your vintage butterfly razor. This was a very prestigious, exclusive shaver back in the days. Let's open it up. And there's your vintage butterfly razor. This is metal. This is the blade that comes with it. There's a small winder on the top of the butterfly razor that allows you to open and close the clasp. You turn the clasp and it opens or closes. As you can see, that's the underneath of it. The handle is metal. You wind it and the clasp closes. Wind it the other way and the clasp opens. So this is your normal Manora blade that you get. This is an ordinary blade. You can get these blades anywhere. They're easily available. So the blade fits onto the top. It has a slot there. You wind the knob and it closes. The blue is just plastic. Once you remove the plastic, you will see the metal shine afterwards. The blue is just a plastic foam. So that's how you insert the blade onto the butterfly razor. Very easy. When you're done, you just remove it safely, don't cut yourself. You put it back into the paper that it came in and you dispose of it.